Talk a little bit more about the burner and the regulator for this new Blackstone pizza oven. And I've only used it a few times, but I'm learning, and I'm learning that I already like it a lot. So if you can see the blue flame going, that's the burner on the right hand side, skewers right, of the pizza oven, and it's on a little bit of a higher setting. But what I want to show you, and hopefully you'll be able to hear it, is that this regulator has got a pressure function on it. And so I can actually open the second valve to allow more pressure through. And I don't know if you can hear that flame coming up, but the more I turn it, it's wide open at this point. So hopefully you can see the difference. That flame is just absolutely nuking. And I wouldn't recommend doing this for your first burn-in, but it's great if you're having a pizza party and you're in between pies. You want to let this thing cool down a little bit, but then you want to get it back up to temperature to do some more pies. It's just wonderful to be able to have that ability. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn it down a little. So it's really cool in those regards. Get this flame dialed in, this burner. I'm gonna have to come up with some sort of a name for it. It feels like the end of a fireman's hose, like the nozzle, because when things come out of it, it comes out with some serious velocity. So you can just hear it go from kind of mellow to having that jet engine almost sound to it, which is super appealing. So anyhow, just wanted to show you that. Please go ahead and consider liking this video and following along for more content, not only with the Blackstone pizza oven, but with pizza in general and all kinds of fun things that we're doing here in Western Montana. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Cheers. I look forward to catching you next time.